Coming to me, seem to run, but at times in a grip. Which land between you and I? Which end is going on your mastermind? How many days, how many nights, how many games, how many rounds to the blast, how many words until my last shit? All it seems the most ready. How it seems the most. My mind is paralyzed in the projection, like I was dead before any action. Before the go, before the down, before I step aside from life, before the night out. I'm anxious, I feel you crawling in my nuts or your calendar. I'm obsessed to survive you with my various crisis. 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 To run, but at times in a crib. Which land between you and I? Which end is going on your mastermind? How many days, how many nights, how many